Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move on this one today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support would be the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 1240 mark. You can see several times today, the bears did try to press down below there after kind of the big move happened, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So yeah, going forward, 1240, 1250, that's definitely going to be that ideal level of support that you want to see the price hold above. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, so this definitely assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As that line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, while that happens, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 1250 is that, preferable, dynamic. However, from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, they made themselves pretty clear, and that's right up there at essentially the $15 mark, give or take a little bit, but on two separate occasions, both there and there, the bulls made a run at it. But in both situations, like I said, the bears did swat it back down. So $15, public enemy number one. All in all, though, very crazy movement today. Plenty of eyeballs were on it. I know I'll be watching this one tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.